Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Here we are in Eastport in the southern part of the Villages. And I wanted to take you on a little bit of a driving tour and maybe a walking tour through the new village of Water's Edge. I just wanted to show you a few things, what's going on. You do see that there's a lot of construction going on here. That is Eastport over there to my left. Up here is the entrance for Water's Edge, the Village of Water's Edge. Let's go in there and take a look at what Water's Edge has to offer. Stay tuned. Here I am driving past the Water's Edge Postal and Recreation Center, right there. And off to the right you do see cement walls. That looks like it's going to be a patio villa or courtyard villa neighborhood right here. This village is in its infancy. There is retention ponds to the left and to the front. There is more concrete walls. Up to the left here you will see trucks or trailers, 4 trucks. These hold the tilt walls. Those are the concrete walls that they make in a factory, and they deliver them to the job sites. Right there. You can even see the tilt walls on some of them trailers. Let's see if we can take a walk through some of these newer neighborhoods and show you some of these new homes. Stay tuned, friends. Hello and welcome everyone. Here I am at the Campbell Villas in the Village of Shady Brook. This is the site of some new courtyard villas that are for sale by the Villages, Florida. Here I am standing on the corner of Darren Drive and Hearns Loop. And I thought I'd take a walk through this brand new courtyard villa neighborhood and show you some of these homes that are for sale. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below which one of these homes you would like to live in, and would you consider living in the Village of Shady Brook here in the Villages, Florida. I will take a walk down Map Place, and there are several homes for sale here. Now I'm standing on the corner of Darren Drive and Map Place here in the Village of Shady Brook. This home on the left is sold. Somebody has a moving pod here already. And this home on the right is also sold. I believe this home here, the one on the left, is still for sale. 2-car garage. I believe it is somewhere in the neighborhood of $338,000. It is a concrete home. I assume it is a tilt wall construction home. The address is 7629 Map Place. Here in the Village of Shady Brook, you can see the landscaping is in pine straw. These homes are in very good condition. They're brand new homes. I thought maybe I could take a peek in. Well, this is a bedroom. It's hard to see, but it's a bedroom. It has carpeting in the bedroom, raised panel, white doors. And I will take a walk down Map Street, give you an idea. of what's available, what these neighborhoods look like. I know that you can see the pictures on the websites, but it's nothing like being here. Here's another home for sale. I believe this one is also for sale. It's somewhere in that $339,000 range. That address is 7635 Map Place. This is a beautiful courtyard villa neighborhood. And some of these homes are still for sale. I believe this one, 7639, is also for sale. You can go to the Village's website and find out. This one is 43PD is written on the window. Let me know if you like a one-door garage, or if you like homes like that that has two separate garage doors. This is 7642 Map Place here in the Villages. And when I looked at the website, it seemed like these homes on this side of the street had a little bit higher prices than the other ones. I think it's due to the type of model and the square footage. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. 7643 Map Place is located right here. Very nice. Courtyard villas, they're concrete construction. I believe they are tilt wall construction. Here in the Village of Shady Brook, look at that light blue door. It's like a robin egg blue. Let's take a look at what this is. This is also a bedroom, carpeted floors. You see a hallway. The hallway has either vinyl or linoleum floor or wood plank of some sort. As always, if you're interested in these homes, you need to work with a Village's sales agent. They will help you. Very peaceful neighborhood. I believe this home up on the left, the white one, I believe that's sold. I think it has a Massey Services sign. Massey Services is one of the popular companies here in the Villages area that you can contract with. They do termite and insect control. You can actually contract with them to even fertilize and maintain your lawn as well. I am in the Village of Shady Brook, here in the Villages, Florida. Here's a home called 33PD. You can notice on the side of the wall, those are on-demand hot water heaters. Very nice. Let's see what this home has to offer. Here's another bedroom. It's hard to see, but it does have carpeted floors in that bedroom. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. And the big differences in pricing on these new homes is the finishes, what kind of flooring you have, what kind of countertop you have, what kind of cabinets you have, what kind of light fixtures you put in. Those all can make a big difference in the price of your home. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. This is what your courtyard villa neighborhoods look like, friends. Now I'm standing on the corner of Slater Avenue and Map Place. That's the end of the street there. You do see there is a couple of homes that are occupied here. It's very quiet here, though. Here in the village of Shady Brook. It's a beautiful warm day in Florida. Lots of construction going on here in the southern part of the villages. Look at that. Can anybody tell me what that is? Almost looks like foam insulation. Yeah, I just kicked it. It looks like foam insulation there. Underneath the wall. I don't see a lot of differences in these courtyard villa neighborhoods than in the north. Here's more homes on this street. This is the corner of Carey Street and Slater Avenue. Seems like there's more homes sold on Carey Street. Yeah, there are a lot more homes sold on this street. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Somebody has their Buffalo Bills flag ready to go. You can tell it's a courtyard villa neighborhood by the storm sewers in the middle of the street. Looks like people are finishing, looks like they're painting that house. Yeah, looks like they're putting finishing touches on paint. This home's address is 7665. Finishing the paint on that house. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. These people are from Michigan. There is a retention pond at the end of this street. I'll take a look at that. I'll show you what that looks like. Looks like that resident there is doing some carpentry work over there. We are in the village of Shady Brook. Very nice area in the Villages, Florida. You can refer to their website if you are interested in any new home. These people have a retention pond right next to them. There are more retention ponds in the southern part of the villages than you have in the north. And some of these retention ponds, I noticed, are really large. They have some really large retention ponds here in the southern part of the villages. They're developing that area over there. Over there, you do see the trailers with the tilt walls on them. They're ready to build homes over there. Lots going on here in the villages. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Take care, everyone.